Hi, and welcome to Always Dolls. Today we share with you a DIY version of American Girl's So Many Shoes storage tower. The tower is easy to build, extremely stylish, and is made mostly from cardboard. This set makes a perfect addition to your dollhouse or doll boutique. It gives you a place to both organize and showcase your doll's favorite shoes. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this video, subscribe, and share to help our channel grow.
I'm all dressed and ready, but I need a pair of shoes. These look perfect, they're so shiny. Yes, they fit. Time to party!
From cardboard, cut the circular base of the tower. We used a kitchen bowl with a diameter of 22 centimeters. Cut, stack and glue 3 pieces for the necessary thickness. Next, cut 6 more cardboard circles that are slightly smaller. This plate is 20 centimeters in diameter. These will be used for the tower shelves. Now cut each circle in half and glue together for a sturdy semicircular shelf. Following this, cut 2 rectangles for the tower wall. Measure up 46 centimeters and above this line draw the scallop detail seen at the top of the AG version. To do this, we traced around a roll of tape. Cut away the excess cardboard, then glue the 2 pieces together. Cover all your pieces in white computer paper to prepare them for painting. The base circle is gold. One side of your wall is a magenta pink, then the semicircles and reverse side of the wall is purple. Once your paint is dry, we can work on the details. Cut a template for the tower's oval mirror and trace around it onto the magenta side of the wall. You can leave the bottom 9 centimeters blank as the seat will cover this lower section. Using a gold Sharpie marker, draw the fun shoe images outside of your pencil marking. To best copy these images, we screenshot an AG website picture and enlarged it in Paint program. Drawing the different shoe styles was really fun. There are high heels, sneakers, sandals, boots, and ice skates. Next, trace your mirror template onto specialty silver cardstock and cut out. To get good placement for the text, write it first on your paper template, then lay it over the cardstock and trace. This extra step makes an impression into the silver cardstock underneath and makes it super easy to trace in gold marker for a great finished result. Adhere the mirror to the wall with glue stick. If you haven't already, now is the time to paint the back of the tower wall purple. Let's make the seat. For this, we sourced styrofoam circles 20 by 2.4 centimeters from our local craft store. Cut in half, then stack and glue 3 semicircles for the desired height. To cover, we used an A4 sheet of felt in the shade lavender. To give the seat a luxurious feel, cut a matching semicircle from paperboard and cover with liquid glue. Put batting on top. Now, cut your sheet of felt to be at least 12 centimeters wide. Squeeze a line of hot glue on the underside of your paperboard and adhere the felt, pulling it firmly to pleat around the curve. Trim away the excess. To close the pocket, put a line of hot glue on the inside of the paperboard and carefully press the edge of the felt into it. Now, to make the 3 indents. Thread a needle and push it through the underside of the paperboard and out the center of the seat top. Move it fractionally to one side of the mark and push back through, pulling the string taut to feather the fabric. Repeat a few times. To help keep the tension, we use tape to secure the string before moving on to the next mark. Repeat this process to stitch the 3rd indent. Secure your string with more tape before clipping away any excess. Use liquid glue to adhere the seat top to the seat. Now take the remaining lavender felt and cover the side. Adhere your seat to the lower section of the tower wall with hot glue. Then attach both pieces to the gold circular base. We also glued the first of our purple shelves to the other side of the gold base. Mark the placement for the remaining 5 shelves at 8 centimeters apart. Cut holes at the center front of each shelf to feed through an 8mm dowel rod. Hot glue all but the top shelf to the wall. This will give us room to write the American Girl branding text and star logo. Again, we used gold Sharpie for this. The hole in the top shelf is only partially cut through the cardboard, so it can be pegged onto the dowel rod but has a finished look on top. For a similar glittery effect as the AG version, we painted glitter glue in Aztec gold on the top of each shelf. Your tower has 12 spots to display your favourite shoes. To make a simple shoebox, we followed the tutorial by Joanne's 18-inch dolls. A link will be in the description. We also made a simple cushion from fuchsia pink felt. You can click the card top right to see how we made a similar felt cushion for Kira Bailey. But this set isn't complete without the nifty Brannick device or shoe sizer. On paperboard, trace around an AG flat bottom shoe. We chose this glitter slip-on style. Now turn it 180 degrees and trace again to make an oval that is longer than your doll's foot and the width of the toes at both ends. Add 2 rectangles on each side, with the left side box being half as wide as the right side. Draw an oval inside the left box and sketch a U shape inside the right box. Cut out. This will be your template. Trace 8 more. Keep 2 cutouts whole. For the remaining 6, trim away the oval and U shape as seen on screen. Stack and glue your cutouts. On your template piece, sketch the foot sizing lines down the middle. With a stylus or other blunt-tipped tool, trace over these lines to emboss them. Now glue this piece on top of the stack. Next, cut 2 strips of paperboard 1.5 cm high and adhere them around the top and bottom curve of the device. Add a strip of paperboard inside the U shape and glue a small bead into the center of the oval. Paint everything gold. When it is dry, take a black fine line marker to add the extra details. If you haven't already, subscribe to Always Dolls and hit the bell icon so you get notified as soon as a new video drops. Thanks for watching, and see you soon for more miniature crafting fun.